back to my channel, guys. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to cook a very popular African food. I don't know how they call the mixture, but I'm going to try to explain to you. So this here is silverfish. I'm still trying to fry it so that I can remove in the sand and all those other dirt. Meanwhile, I'm going to mix silverfish and this here, in my local language we call it bo. In English it's like they are the leaves of the peas. I don't know which peas, so we call it bo. The Baganda they call it gobe. So I'm going to mix it with mukene. Watch till the end, and if you are my beautiful returning subscriber, thank you so much. Leave a comment for your village boy, and then if you are a new subscriber and you like my video, you like what I'm doing, kindly don't forget to click in that subscribe button. Let's go into the business. Okay guys, right here these are fresh tomatoes, these are onions, and this is green pepper. So these are the spices that we are going to use to cook our food. And then this is peanut butter, locally called OD. So this is peanut butter. So basically these are the things that I'm going to use. And then this is how gobe, these are the gobe leaves after I have already plucked it out from the. So maybe just a little demonstration. So the stuff is just plucked out just like this. So plucking out is not really hard. Guys, another stuff we are going to use for cooking our food, we call this miloth in my local language. I don't know how they call it in English, but it works just like okra. It makes the sauce soft. So I'm going to pluck off the leaves and then mix together with my bo. As my gobe bo is boiling, this is the silverfish. It's already in hot water. This is how gobe looks like when it is cooked. So it's time now for us to fry and then put in the other stuff. Okay, onions. So I will mix onions together with green pepper. This charcoal is not serious at all. I will now add tomatoes. So as you can see, this is basically how we cook here, because we don't have blender to blend the tomatoes, but we have a way how we always get away with everything. By the time I'm done with it, it will look like it's blended, yet I didn't. Another thing, most of the Ugandan foods are not really so spicy, but they are good the way they are. They taste good. We got them like that. We were not introduced to so many spices. Okay, so I will cover it a little bit. So, like I told you, we do not have a blender, but we always find a way how to make it blend. Just by squeezing it like this. After a minute or two, it will have blended. Like I said earlier on, this is how we were taught. Where I grew up from, it was not the work of women to cook. Anybody would cook, because we never had women. So as you can see, it has blended, you see, properly. So I will add this for flavor. Then salt. This is salt. Then I will introduce the silver fish. It has been on hot water, so it's time to wash and add it onto the soup. So guys, this is how silverfish looks like without, this is how silverfish looks like without bow. I will just add a little water. Then allow it to boil for a short while before I introduce the bowl. So it's now time to add bowl. Then mix it together. Right guys, so this is how the mixture looks like, as you can see. So it's time now to add in, I've already mixed my peanut butter. It's time to add.